Today's video I am doing a first impression, honest review and trying out the Quick Flick. Oh my gosh. I'm very excited. I've been so intrigued about this product for a really long time. Obviously never used it until now. So, I cannot wait. So this has been sent to me in PR. Thank you guys. I'm just gonna open this little card. Ooh. Hi Jade, if you're reading this, it means your wings have arrived. Woohoo! Let me know what you think. I can't wait for your IG video and YouTube review. Jason, Iris, and the Quick Flick team, thank you guys. So there is just a little bit of information. Hazel is right near the tripod. So there is a little bit of information about how to use the product. They recommend to prime first. It says the Quick Flick is oil-based, so we recommend prepping your skin with an oil-free primer and a translucent powder. This will extend the wear and decrease smudging. Line. Using the felt tip pen provided in your set, line along your upper lash line. Try varying the angle of the pen to control the thickness of the line. And then wing. Line up the wing, stamp with the square edge of the line you have just drawn with your eyes open. Look into a mirror, press down gently, release to reveal the perfect wing. So by the sounds of this, they recommend that you do the wing portion last and the actual liner first, which I usually do things the opposite way around when I do my liner, but we'll see. Here they are. We have three. Wow. We have them in all different sizes. Petite, which is 8mm, modest, which is 10mm, and grand, which is 12mm. They are all in the same shade, which is intense black. So I'm gonna open these up. Oh wow. Okay, so there are two in here. I don't know what I was expecting. Obviously there's one for the right, one for the left. So you get two liners. That is really cool. Wow, okay. So obviously this is a cruelty-free company as well, and their products are vegan friendly as well, so yay! Alright, it says wonky eyeliner is now a thing of the past. Say hello to the perfect wing with the Quick Flick, a revolutionary makeup stamp that takes less stress and time out of the perfect winged eyeliner look. The Quick Flick creates a flawless flick that is beautiful and on point every single time. So these obviously are exactly the same shape, but suited to match your different eyes. I'm interested to see how this is going to work on hooded eyes, because I do have hooded eyes and one of my eyes is more hooded than the other, mainly in the outer crease. So I'm really intrigued to see how this is going to work on my hooded eyes. Okay, so I'm going to try one eye with how they recommend by doing the actual line first and then the stamp, and then the other eye I'll probably do the stamp first and then the line. This is the stamped side, so it does have a little wing stamp. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So this is the petite one, the 8mm, so this is the smallest one. I will be trying them all out today for you guys. And then the other side is a pen. So normally, I'm not gonna lie, I do struggle with this kind of felt tip pen unless it is, oh okay, it is a little bit, oh, I think this is going to be fine, because the tip of the pen, like look how black that is as well. The tip of the pen does have some movement to it, which is really good. So that's going to be really nice to be able to get in there with my eyeballs. Let's just do this. I'm excited. I've done obviously my eyeshadow. I don't have any form of liner, mascara, nothing like that on at the moment. So let's go in with this felt tip bit first and we're going to line. Okay. Oh, you can get a really crisp line with that. Oh no, I just blinked. We can touch that up. That is awesome. That is honestly amazing. I'm gonna go in and do it the opposite way now with the left eye. We're gonna do the stamp first and then the actual line. Oh my gosh, I think that's actually worked quite well. I do feel that I may need on this side, you see how, because this obviously is the petite wing, some of the wing is being lost just with my eyelid. So I may just touch that up a tiny little bit with the normal side of the pen. think that is a little bit better. Okay, so I'm purposely not putting on mascara or lashes just yet because I want you guys to see all of the sizes really crisp, really clear without the interference of mascara and lashes, because that can kind of deter from the rest of the look. We are going to go in with the Modest, the 10 mil. I actually found that this one was a lot easier to use, probably because it is a little bit bigger, and I found that applying the stamp with my eyes open, oh my gosh, so much easier. You have just drawn with your eyes open. With your eyes open. So definitely eyes open. As well, this bigger size, even though it's only 2 mil bigger, I feel like I don't really have to do anything to touch it up to suit my hooded eyes. It already is doing it for me. Yes. Going in with the Grand, I tried to touch up the shadow as best as I could, but it's not wanting to exit. Don't mind that. My apologies. Right hand side. Oh, this one is big. That is freaking amazing. Like, that is so quick. The rest of my makeup is done, and here you have the finished result. I am honestly so impressed. I feel these are so fast, and just it's amazing to actually have the same length liner on both sides, because that is something that I did always struggle with. I did find that for my hooded eyes it actually worked quite well. The larger sizes worked well, which I was thinking was going to be more the case. Like the smaller size didn't work as well for me as what the larger size did. Definitely the larger size, the Grand, is my favorite. Who says size doesn't matter, honestly. They are intensely black. The color is just super dark, like it can easily stamp over the top of dark shadows and bright shadows and things like that. They are amazing, and the fact that you actually get 2 in one packet, like, that is awesome. I mean, obviously you'd have to have 2 in one packet to make them work. They easily could have done, you know, left and right on one side and then just the pen on the other side, but the fact that they've given you the pen on both sides, like, it just seems like you get so much more product. Maybe it's just in my head, but that's what I'm thinking. So I feel definitely you will need to get the right size for you. I don't think that all sizes will work for everybody. This is just me personally, especially if you do have hooded eyes. I feel that you may need to opt for more of a larger size, or depending on your eye shape, your eyelid shape as well, will depend on which one is best for you. I'm sure that you could even just contact the Quick Flick team and ask them what one they recommend for your eye shape or your eyelid shape. So these retail for $34.99 each, and in that you do get the 2 stamps, one for your right, one for your left eye. I do feel that they have other shades coming out. I think they've got a navy and maybe a chocolate color as well, and they do have Afterpay on their website, which I just saw then. I will link their website in the description box below. Let me say as well that this is not a sponsored video. I'm not being paid to do this video. I'm definitely going to be reaching for these, especially when I am in a real rush and just like, you know, you have those days when you just cannot for the life of you get your liner right, or if you're really pressed for time but you just need to do a wing liner, these are going to be my go-to. Especially now, like, I find that I very rarely have that much time to do my makeup. As much as I'd love to spend hours and hours filming a video for you guys, believe me, I definitely would, but at this stage in my life, I can't. I literally have half an hour to an hour to spare some days for filming. Okay, so there you have it, my honest review, first impression of the Quick Flick. I love it so much. I do highly recommend this product if you guys are struggling with liner, if you just cannot for the life of you get it right, or if one eye seems to be good, the other eye doesn't seem to work. Definitely if you have hooded eyes like myself, the bigger sizes are better in my personal opinion. I just find that you see more of the wing. You don't really have to touch up in any areas to accommodate for your hood. It just seems to kind of work a lot better. So I'm definitely very impressed. I love how it looks. It's just quick and easy and amazing. So yeah, thank you Rainbow so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.